Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 3. Today is 5th September. As I said, I will be completing smaller chapters first. So today I am planning to complete 7 chapters. I know it's actually too many chapters per day. I am not sure how many of you actually checked my plans, but there's approximately 6 to 7 chapters every day. And but there is no other option. As I said, that is because we only have limited amount of time and there are too many chapters, so there's only two possibility: either I will be able to complete everything or I won't be able to complete everything. So I cannot reduce the number of chapters. Either I will be able to complete that or I won't be able to complete that. So let's see what happens. So I have planned to complete 7 chapters today: 3 in physics, 3 in chemistry, 1 in maths. So in physics I am planning to complete AC, EMI and capacitance. In chemistry I am planning to complete metallurgy, QMM and periodic table, and in maths I am planning to complete relation function and ITF. So AC is not a big chapter, not a huge chapter. It will take me around 2 hours. EMI is moderate chapter. I mean, there are some formulas. It's similar to capacitance but little smaller than capacitance. So yeah, and then there's capacitance. In capacitance I read that chapter for JEE main, so theory is almost done. So I won't say I know everything of capacitance. I will go through the notes once. And in chemistry metallurgy, it's all about remembering the ores and all those. So I have completed metallurgy for JEE mains, so it might take me little less time to complete metallurgy. QMM is a very small chapter and periodic table is also very small chapter, and relation function ITF is a decent chapter. So it is possible. Let's see whether I am able to complete it or not. The only reason if I'm not able to complete all those chapters will be I didn't study it properly, because if I will study properly throughout the day, then I'm sure these chapters will be completed. And yeah, if I take break or get distracted, then these will not be completed. And yesterday I actually completed my proper 20 days plan, and I realized that if I miss even a single chapter in a day, there will be a huge pile of backlog. I have kept around 7 days to complete the backlogs only. I have planned to complete all the chapters before 17th September. These days will vary for you. I'm saying I gave my mains on 2nd September. I'm calculating my 20 days from 3rd September onward. So yeah, the dates might vary for you. So 17th September I am planning to complete everything by 17th September, so that I get 10 days time. So I will be getting 10 days time, you will be getting even lesser. It was actually of I think 15 to 16 days schedule, and there's those 10 days left. Those 10 days I will complete backlog and give mock tests. And I won't just be giving mock tests in the last 10 days, I will be giving mock tests before that, and I will adjust my schedule accordingly. I will tell you later what I mean by that. So yep, here are linked my 2 of my videos and a subscribe button. So yeah, thanks for watching.